Hello again. Today is our third and thankfully final segment of the repair of these scoreboards. So what we have here is, you can see, here's the post. It's been adhered with the adhesive. And this is the adhesive we use. It's remarkable stuff. But you can see we have a total of 9 of these standoff posts. I am not comfortable relying strictly on the adhesive for a permanent solution. In fact, I suspect they may loosen off again. Therefore, I sought for a solution. Normally, what I would do is take a bolt like this and put it through the front of the display and bring it through the back with a big nut. But then you're going to have a big bolt in your display, and that's not going to look very nice. So I can't do that. So after speaking with the chief engineer, I was given permission to put an adhesive on the edges here. And that is exactly what we're going to do next. So if you give me a moment, stay tuned. So, I don't know if you could tell, we put some blobs down there. This stuff is a gel, so it sets up real quick, and you don't want to go overboard. So just give me a moment now. So I could do that at the same time and show you, but now I've just dropped the plate into its correct position. Okay, so that's good. So I flip this over and give myself a nice clean side to work on. And yes, by the way, I do follow all grounding procedures. So what I've done is I haven't put the screws into here yet. Okay, I'm just going to leave it loose. And the reason is I'm going to put the screws in once the adhesive on these edges seals up. And then, and only then, will I put the screws in. Anyways, let me flip it over and show you the whole assembly. It's no big deal. Thank you for your time and interest, and have a good one.